Hello everyone, welcome to another music theory tutorial video. Today we will discuss major and minor sixth. But first of all, congratulations if you have made it this far. We are in home stretch right now for the interval section. Okay, so if you are still with me, then thank you for watching these, and I hope I've been helpful. And I hope these videos are really helping you understand music theory. So let's get into the lesson. Major and minor sevenths. Okay, so there are two types that we'll look at. First of all, major seventh. Notation-wise, you can put down an uppercase M here, and then a 7, or just a 7. So from now on, the number 7 specifically refers to the major seventh interval. Definition-wise, it's just a major 6. Remember, a major 6 plus a whole step. So, for example, C to A is your major 6, right? Grab another whole step up, B, and B would be the major 7th of C. All right, B would be the major 7th of C. For minor 7th, notation-wise, you can put down a lowercase m with a dash above it, like that, or just a flat 7. Which is more common, okay, in say jazz notation, and that show minor 7th notation. Definition-wise, it's a major 6 again, major 6 plus a half step. So, for example, if you go from C to A is your major 6. You go another half step up, and that should be flat. Okay, so B flat would be the minor 7th of C. But it's kind of clumsy to go about finding your minor 7th this way. There's actually a shortcut. All right, so let's do this by example. Let's learn this by example. So from these two examples, we know that C to B is actually a major 7th, and then C to B flat is actually your minor 7th, right? What if I go backwards? Okay, so this is actually a half step. Okay, and what if I go backwards, and this is actually a whole step? Okay, sorry, so it's in the screen right now. All right, so again, so we already know that going from C to B would yield a major 7th interval. What if I go backwards from C? Go backwards, and that's a half step down from C, and you would obtain the same note B. You just need to raise that to this one in order to grab a major 7th. But in terms of just like reaching the note, going backwards is a totally legitimate solution, right? So if you, from now on, if you actually want a major 7th from any note, say for example, let's do an example here. Let's say G. And you're trying to go for a major 7th. Actually, just go backwards, and that should be an F sharp, right? But then you put it here. Okay, you raise it an octave, and that should be your major 7th. What about minor 7th? G. You just go backwards by a whole step, and that should be an F, but you put it here. All right. So that's your minor and major 7th shortcuts, okay? Nevertheless, the definition is still worth memorizing, all right? So I'll keep this video short. I'll do some more exercise in the next one, okay? So see you there.